simplest, most commonly preferred way that people create cash flow in their real estate business is by what's called flipping.
Flip, 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 flip.
They'll go out and they'll buy a single family home and they will renovate it, and then they'll turn around and sell that property. And when they've sold it, they now gain a very large chunk of change. The IRS is going to take their nice 30% of ordinary income off of the top of that, but then what's left is cash flow that's accessible to them. When they do a residential flip like that, they're going to have to do it again and again and again. So they continue to do so, but it's very lucrative. So if you have marketing systems in place or you set them up, you have the opportunity to do more than one flip and to keep going and keep that cash flow coming in. So if that's your plan and you're trying to create a certain level of cash flow, I would encourage you to stop and look at, okay, the average flip makes $30,000. If I make $30,000, how many flips will I need to do this year to create the amount of income I want in my business, or to replace an income if you're leaving a W-2 and you want to stay full-time in your business? So then once you figured that out, say you're trying to leave a $120,000 a year job. Well, if one flip makes $30,000, I'm going to need a minimum of 4 flips, right? So if I need to do 4 flips, that's 1 flip every 3 months. When I've done that, I'll have now created $120,000 income into my business. And then the next year, I would do the same thing. And you just continue to rinse and repeat. You set up your systems, you put your marketing in place, you get your contracts established, you lock your properties up, you get your lenders and everything in place so that it's all streamlined and runs like a well-oiled machine. Well, as best you can in the flipping world. You and I, those are actual flippers, we know how it really goes. That bus doesn't just magically move in 30 minutes, and the flip isn't done and beautiful in 30 minutes.
It's not as easy as it sounds.
It's a very long process, but it is worth it when it is done and we step back and we get to look at the result. Flipping does have its great benefits, and to be able to see a very old, outdated home restored and a new family able to take advantage of that is always very rewarding.
We're flipping out!